So hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's my sincere hope that you've been doing well. Well, today I want to show you how to model this feature in the Inventor software. Actually, it's going to be easy. I'll be showing you how step by step how to draw this feature. It's my sincere hope that you are going to follow keenly, and at the end of the video you are going to get something. And even if maybe you don't get it right away, feel free to pause the video, or feel free to rewind the video so that you can get something out of this video. So without much ado, let's get started. So what you are going to do, first you come here to this icon where you are seeing it's written file. Come and click on this icon. Come and click on that file. Then click on new. Then because we want to create a part, we are going to click on standard in millimeters, and then come and click on create. And so we will be given a fresh page to start our sketching. Now come and click on this icon here. You're seeing it's called start 2D sketch. Click on this icon here. So you'll be given 3 planes to work on. I want you to come and click on this plane, which is the YZ plane, and then let's start sketching. So we are going to sketch the cross section of that feature which I just shown you at the beginning of the video. So come and select the line command. You bring your cursor to the line command and then you left click it. So after left clicking it, as you try to move your cursor, you notice that your cursor turns into a small yellow dot. That's good to go. So you come and bring your cursor around somewhere here, then you left click on it, and as you can see, we have started drawing our line. So you pull it to the left, or rather to the right side, and then I want us to give it dimension of 10. So you come and type in 10 and hit enter, and then move upwards. As you move your cursor upwards, try to snap to this 90-degree. So as you can see, what you do, you just move it upwards and try to snap to the vertical position. As you can see, there is a small icon will appear, showing you that you are going, or you are drawing a line that is perpendicular to the line that you started with. So this time round I want us to give it a dimension of 15, and just type in 15 and say enter. So again, move to the horizontal direction, and this time round I want us to give it a dimension of 2. Say type in 2 and hit enter, and then now I want us to move downwards, vertically downwards, then try to snap to that perpendicular position. And then now this time round, because I want us to give our line a dimension of 13 millimeters, sorry, and then press enter, so that this time you move your cursor to the horizontal direction, as you can see what I'm doing. Then this time round I want us to give it the line a dimension of 10 millimeters, and then now you need to press enter, and then move your cursor upwards in that direction. As you can see, it is snapping to the exact height of our previous line, which is good for us to just snap to that position. So uh, just left click, and then move your cursor horizontally to the direction as that you are seeing me move my cursor, then enter 2 millimeters and hit enter. Move downwards as you can see what I'm doing. So click to that, or rather snap to that position, and then you click there, and then move to this direction and give it some 10 millimeters. Move downwards, give it a dimension of 2 millimeters, and then move to this side, and then snap to that position, no, rather snap to this position, and then click there, then come to this position, sorry, you need to zoom out a little bit. So yeah, snap to that position, and then start another line there at that corner, that node, and then bring it up to this position here. As you can see, that one automatically it snaps to 10 millimeters. Then click on that point, move downwards. As you can see, an intersection small icon appearing, and then you snap to that position. Sorry, you need to make sure that you draw that line there. So come and start another line here, and then move your cursor to this direction until you snap to 12 millimeters. Click and then snap to the point where we started, and as you can see, now we have a completely now we have drawn the cross section, completed to draw the cross section. Maybe something that we need to do, we need to position our cross section in such a way that it will be the center or the mirror line of this cross section will be passing through our origin. So what we need to do, come to this icon you are seeing here under this constraint. There is this constraint here, so select this one as you can see, then bring it to this line, and you see a small green dot appear. You need to click on that green dot, come and zoom out a little bit, then click on that dot there, which is our origin. And as you can see now, we have placed our cross section in such a way that this left side is equal to the right side, and that's what we really want. So I think at that point we are ready to go. We have finished our cross section sketch. Then we need to finish our sketch, and then at this point what we need to do, we need to extrude. So come here, there is this command that is written extrude. You need to select it by left clicking it. So left click it, and by default an area will be highlighted, an area inside our sketch will be highlighted, and then a preview will be shown to you, showing the thickness of or the height of extrusion. So in this case, by default it just starts at 10, but I think 10 is okay, although we need to come and select the extrusion to happen symmetrically in both directions, not only in one direction. In this case, you are saying it's only extruding to this x direction, but I want us to it to extrude in both directions. As you can see now, the center point or the origin is passing through the center of this feature, which is great, and it's what we want to happen. So after doing that, you just come and click OK, since you have finished the extrusion. So okay, after that, remember that we need to create some hole on this face here, and this face we also need to create some other hole here and some hole on this face. So first come and click on this face. So you just left click on the face, and then here this icon is known as create sketch. Come and create that, click on that one, and then you need to come and select this point. You see this point? Yeah, this tool known as point. Select it, then come on your face and then click on that point, and then click also on that point. And then after clicking on those 2 points, let me show you what you are going to do. Remember that we need this point to be located at exactly the center of this square. So this is a square of side 10 millimeters. We want it to be located exactly at the center. So what you do, come and click on this dimension tool, and then click on this click on that point and this side, and then move your cursor upwards and make that dimension, type in 5 and say enter. So repeat again. Now we have we have placed our point in the center of this line and this line. Now we need to place it in the center of this line and this another line. So come and click this point and this other line and make sure that it's 5. In our case, we can see that it's already 5. So that's good for us. So that point is now located exactly at the center of this square. So now let's come and also position this other point. We need to come and click on the point and click on this side, move our cursor upwards and give the dimension 5, type in 5 and say enter. Again, click on the point and this time around come and click on this other side and make sure that it's 5. We can see it's already 5. Just come and hit enter. So we have already positioned the 2 points. Then finish the sketch. I will show you why we needed those points. Those points will be important for us when we need to create some holes. So come and use this hole command here, this hole tool. Come and left click on it. So after clicking on it, you need to be a little bit patient, and then there is this dialog box that will appear here, and as you can see here, you need to select the positions. By default, it selects the two points that you have created previously, and then come and create a hole, a simple hole that does not have any threads, and then you can come and give the thickness or the diameter of the hole. In this case, as you can see, it's 3. It's already set. It's that's what we are going to work with for this particular video. So everything is set. Just come and click OK. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have created 2 holes on these 2 faces. Now we are remaining with creating the holes on these 2 faces. So come and click on this face and then click on start sketch, and then come and click on or click the circle tool and bring it here. Okay, come and try to locate the center point of this line. There it is. Come and locate the center point of this other line and then snap to the exact center of this whole rectangle, which is right there. So just click, left click, so that you can start drawing the circle. And this time round, I want us to give it a dimension of 5. Yeah, 5 will just work well. And now finish the sketch. So I want us to extrude this circle to this direction, but now the output mode will be subtract, so that now we can be left with a hole here and a hole on this other side. So click on extrude. As you can see, it's extruding to the Z direction. Let us flip the direction so that it extrudes to the negative Z direction, and then this time round, let's give it a dimension of 20. As you can see, a preview showing you that a hole has been created here and a hole has been created here. So the only thing you need to do is to come and click OK, so that at least the 2 holes can be created, and that's great. As we can see, the holes has been created. Now after that, we need to fillet this edge, these 2 edges, and also these other 2 edges. So come and click on this fillet command. So after clicking on the fillet command, as you can see here in the dialog box, it will, by default, it starts at 2. We can try to use 2 and see whether it will work well for us. Okay, you need to come, bring your cursor to that edge. When the edge is highlighted in a green color, then you just click on it. 2 doesn't look so bad. We are going to use 2 for this case. So just try to zoom out in a little bit so that you can see this edge clearly. So come and click on that other edge, click on this edge as well, and also click on that edge as well. And then you need to say OK, or you need to come first and click on this plus icon, so that we can create another fillet on this edge. But this time around, instead of using 2, we are going to use 1 millimeters. And so come and click on that edge, click on this other edge, and click on that edge, click on that edge, and I think we are good to go. So let's click on that one also, and also click on that one. Let's click on that one, and yeah, let's also click on that one. So at this point we can just come and say okay. So after saying okay, as you can see, we exit the command, the filleting command, and let's use this free orbit tool to see whether our fillet has been done perfectly. As we can see, it has been done perfectly. So come and click on this home icon here so that you can return your figure or your object to the isometric position. Now the only thing we need to do now is to apply some color to our component here. What you do, you just come to this icon that is known as appearance, click on it, and then come first and highlight the entire object so that you'll be shown a preview of whatever color it is that you want to apply on the component. Clear blue doesn't look so bad. Copper, neither does it look so bad. But this time round, I want us to try something different. I mean, let's see whether, yeah, magenta not so bad. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have here. Red is not so bad. Let's see whether we can try violet. No. Let's do away with violet. I don't know whether we have some other color here. Okay. Let's see which one is better for us. Let's see. Okay. Doesn't matter. Let's give it magenta. So no, not magenta. Magenta. Let's make it red. So assign to the section. So what you just do, you right click on this this red color, and then you see assign to the section. Click on assign to the section, and then come and exit. So as you can see, our feature, some color has been applied to our feature. It's a shiny metallic kind of a color, which makes it look great. So that's how easy it is to model this feature in the Inventor. So ladies and gentlemen, always feel free to pause the video whenever you don't understand anything. Always, and I also advise you to draw alongside this video. Yeah, maybe you can open two windows. One, you can open the software, and the other one, as you are watching this video, you can keep on trying to follow the commands until you successfully end up with this feature. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm requesting you to subscribe. Those who have not yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe so that more content will be coming, and you're going to be notified in case we post anything new. So ladies and gentlemen, until we meet next time, have a great time, and once again, thank you for watching.